On this video, I'm going to show you 4 trending Halloween designs that are growing at a rate from 200% to over 1000%. And they're all 1 month old listing and they're all making money. And guys, listen, at the time of doing this video, it's July, and you guys need to start getting your Q4 listings up right away because everybody else is starting to do it and people are making money just like I'm showing you. And the reason why I'm showing you these trends is so that you can very quickly start listing up using these exact design styles and understand what you need to do. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. So check this out. And guys, I use EverBee, my go-to research SEO tool, to find the data, find what's trending. Do check out the link below because actually they have a massive deal, which is 3 months of the EverBee Growth plan. So it's actually $49, a full 45% off the regular $90. And after 3 months, it renews to $239 a year. You can cancel at any time. And like I said, it's only for a limited time. So check out the link at the top of the video description. So let's get back into this. Now, this is the first on my list. It's actually converting at a rate of 48%. It's a 1 month old listing, making sales already. And it's actually growing at a rate of 1100%. This is going to be your winning sort of style for Halloween. And what it does, it combines the combination, I call it. It's got the coquette bow tie in the Western style, this leopard print. It's got the ghosts in this kind of format where you've got 3 designs in a line, 3 designs in a line, 3 designs in a line, so 9. It touches on those big players styles. It's got the pumpkin, it's got the checkered pumpkin. So it hits on the Western design style. It's got the coquette bow ties as well. So it literally is ticking all the boxes, right? It's got pumpkins, it's got ghosts, it's got coquette bow ties. And the design styles are in this leopard checkered style print, which is hugely popular in this kind of Western style. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI-made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy-ready AI designs that you can sell, and in less than 20 minutes I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. So it is a winner, and the reason why it's working is because, like I said, they are combining the styles, guys, and this is going to be your winning thing from now, you know. And on top of that, it's got a really beautiful mock-up with that Halloween flavor. Remember, mock-ups are also should be adapted to the time of year that you're selling. If you have a generic mock-up that has no flavor and does not show you that it's Halloween or Christmas, then it's less likely to convert. They've got beautiful pumpkins and barley and a really nice brown aesthetic ready for Halloween in this mock-up style. And like I said, these are the things that help it convert, guys. You've got to make sure your mock-ups are on point. So this one is a massive growth one. Remember, take what I've said and start thinking about how you're going to combine the style in a different way. Remember, we're not here to copy a style, but use it as inspiration for what you do. Okay, the next bestseller, the next trend growing at a rate of 800%, and it's only been a 1 month old listing and it's making huge sales. It's a bestseller, it's in demand, it's in the basket, it's the one. And let me explain why this is working too. If you look at the design, it's very simple, right? It's simply about having those vertical stripes. Now, the vertical stripes are going to be winners in Halloween and Christmas for sure. You're going to see them everywhere, that's for sure. And it's about having the elements on top of those stripes, if you like, those vertical stripes. These vertical stripes are going to be everywhere, guys, literally everywhere. Here's another combination, guys. I'm just jumped onto a slightly different one. Again, a 1 month old listing, but they're using the stripes in a slightly different way. This one is using the bright stripes with also this kind of painted style, almost acrylic paint, vertical stripes with a slightly different design on it for Halloween again. But what you can see is the vertical stripes on a design works fantastically well. Now, yes, this one is slightly different. It has a more of a kawaii style, cute kawaii style. But what it is it's just telling you that people love that combination. Coming back to this one, this is a slight more subdued, less garish or less bright, if you like, much more vintage looking style. But again, like I said, stripes behind your designs, your Halloween designs, stripes behind your ghosts, stripe behind your coquettes, stripes behind your spiders, or wherever it is you got bats is what is going to be working. Again, you do have, if you look closely, you do have coquette bow ties in there, sitting in there, and you also have some bats there. So again, it's ticking the other boxes, but this is a bestseller and it's grown at a rate of over 800%. So definitely cannot be ignored, guys. Okay, this next design that's grown at a rate of over 700%, already making sales, and again, a 1 month old listing, again, has the stripes. They're brighter stripes, but it's slightly different. Now, this kind of painted style, brushstroke style, is a bit brighter. It has a brighter look to it. It's a little bit stronger. I guess you can call it these painted brushstroke styles, these bright colored painted brushstroke styles. There's a lot of these bright painted styles that are appearing as well. But again, you got to remember what you're including. It's about the elements, right? The styles, the stripes, right? The background stripes, the coquette bow tie, as I keep mentioning. You got the pumpkin and the ghosts, guys. In this case, you got the witch's hat and you got the cauldron, you got the spider. So it's definitely bringing in all these combinations and the words trick or treat in this case. But like I said, it's growing at a massive rate, guys. And, you can take the styles and you can create your own way of doing this, guys. I definitely don't recommend just copying something. Definitely take the flavors and combine it in something that is original of your own. But I tell you what I do like about this image, this main listing image. Just look at the background for me. It has the most subtle way of showing that it's Halloween. It's got the brown leaves on the floor in the background, which shows that it's an autumnal mock-up. And this is what I really like about this seller. They've gone super subtle with the mock-up, but super effective. And it's got 20 plus in a basket. It's doing well. It's already making money. And it's only a 1 month old listing, guys. And it's months before the time. This is why I keep saying, guys, you got to keep listing up. Now let's go with this fourth idea, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, guys, so this is growing at a rate of 400%. And guess what? Surprise, surprise, it has the other combinations. Coquette bow tie right in the middle. On the spider, you got the pumpkin, you got spooky words going on, trick or treat, and so on. And this is actually 1 month old listing. It's already making sales, got 20 plus in a basket. It's converting at a fantastic rate. It's a bestseller and it's making money, guys. And this is what I'm trying to say, guys. There you can see the design here again. And it is a funky idea, really good idea. It's actually coming out in summer, but this I can see, the mock-up is geared for summer. I can imagine that the design mock-up can be changed, possibly for more of an autumnal feel, but you can see that it's making sales, guys. But the design itself, this style of design, like I keep saying, with the vertical stripes, with the coquette bow tie, with the pumpkin, with the ghosts, spiders, maybe some wording, is going to be something that works really, really well this year, guys. So you can tell from the trends, this is talking huge amount of views, sales already, guys. This is the kind of flavors that you have to bring to the table if you want to make those sales in Q4 and for Halloween. So guys, don't forget to check out the fantastic deal by EverBee. You get a huge 3 months off the EverBee Growth Plan. Do check out the link below where you can take advantage of that. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI-made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.